Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Claiming your Discord account is a vital step to ensure you do not lose access to your profile and servers. Many people start using Discord through a quick link without setting up a full profile. This creates a temporary account that could vanish if you clear your browser cache or log out. To fix this, you need to turn that temporary guest status into a permanent one. Look at the top of your Discord screen for a bright orange banner. This banner usually tells you that your account is unclaimed. Click the button inside that banner that says Claim Account. A window will pop up asking for your email address and a new password. Use a valid email that you can access easily. Type in a strong password to keep your data safe. After you submit the form, Discord will send a confirmation link to your inbox. Open your email app and find the message from Discord. Click the Verify button inside that email. Once you do this, your account is officially yours. If you do not see the orange banner, you can go to your user settings. Click the small gear icon at the bottom left of the screen. Look for the My Account tab. You will see a button there to claim the account. Follow the same steps by entering your email and setting your password. Doing this prevents you from getting locked out of your favorite communities. Your friends list and messages will stay safe forever. It only takes a minute to secure your digital home on this popular social platform today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.